Hello and welcome to Modern English Talks, the podcast for learners who want to speak English with more confidence, fluency, and joy. I'm Tom, and in this episode, I'll guide you through a complete plan to practice English every single day. Even if your life is busy, you feel shy, or you don't live in an English-speaking country. You don't need to move to London, New York, or any other English-speaking city. You don't need a teacher beside you all the time. You don't even need hours of study every night. What you need are small, smart, daily habits that make your brain and mouth work together, helping you speak English naturally and confidently. The first habit is listening every day. Listening is the foundation of your English fluency. If you want to speak better, you must hear English daily, not just once a week, not only in a classroom and not only when studying a textbook. Listening trains your ears to recognize real English, the rhythm, tone, speed, and pronunciation that native speakers use. You can listen to English anywhere, anytime. Podcasts like this one on Modern English Talks, English songs, YouTube videos, short stories, or English news for learners. Even if you understand only a part of what you hear, your brain is learning patterns, sounds, and sentence structures naturally. Try a simple listening exercise with me. I will say a sentence, and you repeat it slowly after me. I listen to English every day. Pause and say it yourself. Great. Now another. I am improving my English little by little. Excellent. Try doing this just 10 to 15 minutes a day, and over time, your brain will start noticing the patterns, the flow, and the natural pronunciation of English words. You can listen while walking, cooking, exercising, or even resting. Think of English as your background music. It's always there, helping you learn without stress. Shadowing is another powerful habit. Shadowing means repeating exactly what you hear, like an echo. You don't stop, you don't translate. You just copy the sound, rhythm, and tone of the speaker. Let's try it now. Repeat after me. I want to speak English fluently. I listen to English every day. Shadowing helps me speak better. At first, it may feel strange, and you may not understand every word, and that's perfectly fine. Shadowing is about training your brain and your mouth, not about understanding everything at once. Do this for just 5 to 10 minutes every day, and you'll notice your speaking becomes faster, smoother, and more natural. Thinking in English is another key habit. When you constantly translate from your native language, it slows you down. Start small with simple thoughts. I need coffee. The sky is blue. I see a dog. Throughout the day, continue practicing. I am working. I am tired. I want to go home. Whisper these sentences out loud as if talking to yourself in English. This builds confidence, fluency, and a natural flow in your speech. Reading aloud is also essential. Choose short texts like children's stories, short articles, dialogues, or social media posts. Read slowly, then faster, then with expression. Pretend you are acting. For example, I enjoy learning English every day. Repeat slightly faster. I enjoy learning English every day. And with more feeling, I enjoy learning English every day. Reading aloud improves pronunciation, fluency, and confidence, giving your speaking muscles the workout they need. Using English in your daily life is equally important. Learning English in a book or app is valuable, but living English turns knowledge into real skills. Change your phone language to English so every time you open it, you see words like settings, delete, download, or update. Write a short diary daily, just 3 sentences about your day, such as, today I went to work, I drank 2 cups of coffee, I watched an English video. Record a 1-minute voice note at the end of your day and talk about your plans, feelings, or what you learn. Don't worry about mistakes. Listening to yourself helps you notice pronunciation, grammar, and common errors so you can improve. Join online English groups like WhatsApp, Telegram, Tandem, or Facebook groups and practice reading, writing, or sending voice messages. Watch short videos on TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. Then repeat the sentences exactly as you hear them, mimicking the tone, speed, and rhythm. Let's do a quick practice together. Repeat after me. I practice English every day. I listen, I repeat, I speak. I improve a little every day. Consistency matters more than perfection. Small daily steps accumulate into major improvements. Make English a part of your life, your phone, diary, thoughts, and voice. Think of English not just as something you study, but something you live with. By the end of this month, even with just 10 to 15 minutes of practice daily, you will notice a big difference in your speaking, listening, and confidence. Thank you for listening to Modern English Talks. If you enjoyed this episode, subscribe to the podcast and practice along with me every day. In the next episode, I'll share 3 secret shadowing hacks that will help you speak even more like a native speaker. Keep practicing, stay consistent, and speak English with confidence. See you next time.